So this is everything that I have learned using my Chefman's espresso maker. I had it for about a month now, and I must have I perfected it, but I've learned a lot with my old video of my first time ever using it, and a lot of people commented stuff that I should know about it. So I'm gonna show you what I've learned and how I perfected it to my taste for this past month I've been using it. Okay, let's start off on what I use. So this is all my little setup I have, which is for my frothing cup, my cappuccino cup, the espresso handle, I don't know what to call it exactly. But this is for a double shot. You can take it out like this. So you take it out like that. This is for a double shot. I just cleaned it. This is for a single. If you want a single shot, if you don't want too much coffee. Okay. So if you look right here, they have a max line on there. So this tells you how much you can fill it up to, which is pretty much always to the top. I don't really normally do it to the top. And this is the press down scoop. Pretty much a whole scoop is, I fill it up like pretty much all the way here. You press the bottom of it. So now I'm gonna show you how to program it if you want, if you're not getting like you want more of a deeper, rich espresso. So that, you use this bowl here. So you hold program, and it asks you which one do you want to program. You want to double? So now you're gonna wait until, so if you want to stop it at 20 like pumps, or you want to stop it at 25, you just hit the double again. I'm gonna stop mine at like 23. That's how I kind of like it, a little bit deeper. So right there, and now it's set to 23. You do the same thing with double, doesn't really matter, but that's how you program it pretty much to how rich you want it. I'm gonna show you how I typically make my like espresso one more time. So first, let's make our espresso. So like that. I'm gonna shake it down a little bit. I like to put a lot of pressure on mine. Just like push it down real good. Like lay it down there, just like that. And it's looking good. You use any kind of espresso grounds. I use Laraz. Doesn't really matter, as long as it's espresso grounds. Put it in here, find a placement for it, twist it, and good. Put the cup underneath, like that. So I have a double power, then you just hit double. And now my count starts at 23 and goes down. Touch it for a bit. So I'm gonna show you how I use the frother. A lot of people don't really know how to use it, but it's not that hard. It's pretty simple. So when you're using a frother, you want to make sure you purge it. This is the word I used. Here, you're gonna hit froth. You see where it says preheat? You wanna wait till it's done blinking. That's when you know you're ready to, the steam wand is ready. And that's pretty much the same with the espresso. Is you want to wait till the preheat's done. Then it'll start going by itself though. Okay, that's done. going to, so you want to purge it, right? You want to just put an empty bowl or something underneath there. All that water that just came out. Yep. So all that water would have been in your milk and been kind of watery. So just you do that ahead of time. Now for my like milk base, I like to use half cream and half milk. You should fill it halfway up, so don't put it too high in the same time. And make sure you dip it all the way in there. Let me just dip it all the way in there. Yeah, make sure it's covering. I go about just enough in there. I start out low. That's where it's usually at. I'm gonna put it higher than that, probably little. Now you're going to like wipe this off, but if you look on here, if you wipe it off, you pull this out, it has like all that gook in there. That's where you really want to clean it. I usually take this and I kind of throw it into my frothing cup and I wash it together. But what's important is to wash this off. This is what you want to wipe off, especially doing like a sugary based milk. It kind of gets stuck on there. So use like a damp cloth, pretty much. Get that all clean. Now, cappuccino. Add all your sugars and your syrups in it beforehand, because you can pour the milk in it and it kind of mixes it up. I usually put mine, I usually put my stuff in there before I actually make it, but it doesn't really matter. So I put syrup and brown sugar in mine. And then I go to I'm gonna drink this and I'll be right back to show you how I clean pretty much everything. So you undo it. All right, so you're gonna have like liquid in there, whatever. But this right here, this little tab, is gonna be for you to hold that little like 2-shot cup and dump it into the garbage. So I'll show you a bit. Make sure you hold that part, then you hit it. That keeps it from falling out. And then just hold that and it keeps it from falling out. Now just bring it. And you go underneath like this. And then you get all the coffee grounds underneath it pretty much. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your cappuccino latte espresso.